Good morning, everybody. Michelle with Creative Operation and Country Craft Creations. I have a sneak peek unboxing of the subscription box for Country Craft Creations. It's called the Seasons of Creativity, and it is a wonderful subscription box. We just started it. October was our first time we've done it, and it was a huge success, and there is time to order the next one. So this subscription box goes every 4 months. So in February, June, and October, you will be able to order this. You can do it on a every 4-month plan, or if you order it for the entire year, so you order 3 boxes at the same time, you'll get a 10% discount. Every box is full of items, and it's crazy fun. Each box is $149, but again, if you order 3 boxes at a time, so like for a whole year, you'll get a 10% discount. So it's really cool. I'll put a link down below in the description so you can see it. And then I just wanted to real quick kind of show you what is upcoming for this next box. We have 5 designers that are going to be doing projects. So we're all going to do a main project, and then we're also going to do a smaller project. Every box will have all of this good stuff, and you're just going to love it. So first off, I got this glassine bag, and inside of this bag, you're going to get some red line tape. So this is a 1/4 inch red line tape. We're going to get one of those, and then you're going to also get a roll of foam tape. This is white foam tape, and it is amazing. And I believe, let me double check, but it's a little bit more than 1/4 inch. I think it's probably closer to 1/2 inch. So you're going to get a roll of each of these kinds of tapes. The other thing that's really cool about these boxes is that you always get a die. So this one is the Echo Park designer die called the Crochet Doily die set. And in here, in this little bag here, we have a magnetic sheet. So she is going to start sending everybody a magnetic sheet so that you can store your dies. And then in here, you'll see that I have these very, very cute little dies. All of us are going to be using these in our projects and in our extra projects as well. So you're going to see lots of fun things. Last time we had some really great extra projects with using the dies that you wouldn't have thought, you know, of otherwise. So it's really, really cool. So everybody gets a die, you get a magnetic pad, and this beautiful little envelope to put your dies in. And then let me just real quickly go through the packages, and then I'll show you what I'm going to get to use this time. This one here is called Charlotte's Friends, and it's exclusive and new, and you won't be able to get this until after the Seasons of Creativity box is done. But this is a beautiful new collection called Charlotte's Friends. This is exclusive to Country Craft Creations, and it's absolutely adorable. So all of these beautiful papers, one of the designers is going to get this particular paper collection. I don't remember who is doing this one, but it's absolutely gorgeous, and I am loving all of the images. They're just so beautiful. So I'm just going to real quickly kind of show you this. I don't want the video to be too super long, but look at the ducks. Aren't they cute? And the paper, this paper is just gorgeous. Now, this would be great for a spring project. And look at, you've got Charlotte, you've got Homer in there. Oh my goodness, just absolutely gorgeous. So you get some 8x8 papers, and you also get some 12x12 papers. And then this particular kit will come with some twine and some buttons for the project. So that is one of the, I'm going to get these kind of out of the way, one of the papers. This is the grab and go kit. Now every package, every subscription box will have a grab and go kit. So what this is intended for is to just take this to a crop, and you have everything in it that you need to make a beautiful project. They come in a very nice bag. I had the grab and go last time, and it was in a smaller bag. But so you get a beautiful bag. It comes with cardstock, everything you're going to need. This one has stickers, it has seam binding. You have these little wishing baubles, and then you're going to get the full pack of 28 sheets of 49 in Market. So the designer that's going to get this is what they're going to use to make their project. So then you can just print out the instructions, put them in the bag, and then just take it to a crop, take it to a friend's house, whatever you want to do. So the grab and go bag, that's what that is. It's beautiful. Here is another collection that one of the designers is going to get. It's called Ladybug by Echo Park. I'm going to open this up. It also has a goodie bag in here. So isn't this a cute collection with all the ladybugs? I love this with the black and the reds. And then you also get some coordinating cardstock that go in this kit as well. And then in this little bag, let's see what comes in here. Oh my goodness, look at this. You get little ladybug buttons, you get some lace, you get some gingham ribbon, and then you get this beautiful trim here. Oh, that is cute. That's going to be a really cute project as well. So you get all of these things to go with this particular kit. So, I mean, you can see for $149, you're getting quite a value for this. So this is a full paper kit plus cardstock plus embellishments to go with it. This is Graphic 45, and this is a really, really cute collection. This one is called, I forget what it's called, Little Things, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So in here, you're going to get the paper collection here. I don't believe there's any extra cardstock in here, but you also get the chipboard ephemera. You get this beautiful ribbon, and look at this lace butterfly. Look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. And then a couple of these beautiful little envelopes to play with. So the designer that's going to get this is going to have all of this to play with. So you get, it looks like a full paper collection. I mean, you get quite a lot. And then last but definitely not least, this is my collection that I'm going to get to play with this time. And this one here is Simple Stories Wildflower. Beautiful pastel collection. This is going to be beautiful for the spring. So I'm thinking, you know, I'm kind of thinking like Mother's Day maybe, but I've got a couple ideas swirling in my head. I haven't quite figured out what I'm going to do with this yet, but I just love it. So let me go through here real quick what we're going to get in my collection. So we're going to get the papers. So I'm going to just go through that really quick. If you haven't seen this collection, this is, I think, last year's collection, but it's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to just flip through the papers here real quick so you can see just a beautiful paper collection. Look at the journaling cards, 3x4 journaling cards. The papers are gorgeous. So this is going to be beautiful for, like I said, spring. Oh, hey, in the paper collection, there's a My Colors Ballerina Pink that's going to go with this. So I'm going to get to play with that. And we have all of those. The tags are gorgeous. I love tags. Look at that. And the journaling on the back of those, you can totally do this. So Simple Stories Wildflower. This is the collection that I'm going to get. Beautiful blue butterflies and everything. Oh, I'm sorry, hit my camera. And you get all these gorgeous things. Plus, I'm going to have the sticker sheet. Plus, I'm going to get the chipboard stickers. I'm going to get the decorative brads and some more chipboard stickers. I have page pieces. So all of these page pieces, which you don't necessarily have to use on 12x12 papers. You can do this in a mini album. And they work great. I've done that quite a bit. And then you get a package of the journal bits. So you guys, really, honestly, for, you know, you get quite a value with the Seasons of Creativity subscription box. So as I put these back out here so you can see everything that you're going to get, why don't you go check out the website, and I have the links down below. And remember, this is all coming in the box. And then also remember, keep your glassine bags, because one or all of us may use that in our projects as well. So, you know, we like to use all of our bits and pieces because nothing goes to waste with us. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Go check out Seasons of Creativity subscription box and Country Craft Creations at countrycraftcreations.com. And I will be back soon with some more videos and shares and tutorials and all kinds of fun stuff. So stay crafty, and I will see you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.